Good morning students and welcome parents. Welcome to Standard 2 Drawing Class. Children, today we are here with a new drawing and that is a penguin. Let me tell you first something about penguins. Penguins are flightless birds. They are black and white in color. They are excellent swimmers. They can dive up to 500 meters underwater. They are generally found in southern hemisphere, generally concentrated in Antarctic coast and subantarctic islands. They are feeded on small fishes. There are 18 species of penguins. This was a small knowledge about penguins. Now coming back to our drawing. So let's start with the sketching first. So let's take a pencil. You will draw your penguin in your drawing copy. So to draw its body, first we will draw a straight line. So you can use a scale. Like this. It depends, children, how big you want to make your penguin. Now slowly you are going to move and make the slight curve part. Now making the beak. They have long beaks. The eyes. Now, coming to finish their body part. Now, let's make their tummy. Now, it's time for their overlapping coat of feathers. That is waterproof. Now we will make the feet. They have webbed feet. The shape of the feet is webbed. So one is down and one is like this. Now, the penguin is standing on a piece of a iceberg. So we will be making the iceberg now. Why we are making iceberg, children? Because they live in this kind of cold areas, cold region. And there you can find these icebergs. So, it's a circle piece of iceberg. Here we have a sun also. I am making it with a free hand, children. You can use a small round shape to make the sun. Now, the sketching is over. Let's go to the highlighting part. Slowly, we are going to move down. Yes. Now, to the head part. Yes. Now, let's finish the beak. The eyes. You can see how the eyes are made. small dot of white spot is left here. Now, stick to your sketch when you are giving the outlining. Yes. So we are done with the body part. Now this was the. Now let's finish it with the feet. Coming to the webbed feet, another one. We are finishing it with the feet part. Now let's finish the iceberg. The part of the iceberg on which the penguin is standing. Try to move your hand in one flow. Okay, children? So here we are done with the iceberg. Now, here are the parts of water. So the waves are here. So we are making the water waves. Now, making the sun. We are outlining the sun. We are outlining the sun. So here children, you can see how we have finished and the picture has come up of the penguin in a large drawing. The same picture. Now I am showing you how you have to give it into a coloring part. This part will be colored black with the hands. This part, the tummy part, will be left as white. The feet will be and the beak will be yellow in colors. Yellow. The iceberg will be as it is white. You know the color of ice, that is white. And then this is the water part. That will be dark blue, or you can say navy blue. Okay? And this is the sky. This part is the sky. So it will be light blue, or you can say sky blue color. The sun is also here, but it is as it is white in color. So you will not color it in yellow. You will leave it as it is. So your picture will come like this. Okay children? Now you will draw this picture in your drawing book. You can use color pencils or you can use crayons to color your drawing. Thank you.